What you're about to watch could be made without camera.
Come closer. I have a secret to tell you.
Without gears, without lighting, without heavy budgets. And no, this is not the future. This is happening in real time. For over 100 years, filmmaking just worked one way. If you want to make films, you need big gear, expensive budgets, people, time, location, etc. And if you don't have those things, you don't get to play the game. But in the last year, AI quietly broke that rule. Not hypothetically, not slowly, but it snapped it. And now, films can be made entirely with AI. And that's why filmmaking and content creation is about to change forever, and people are not even realizing it. Quick introduction, my name is Anand Pawar, and for the last 6 years I have been working in the intersection of AI, filmmaking and content creation, and I have worked with some of the biggest brands across the globe. For the last 3 years I have extensively studied how creators grow on social media, how stories hold attention, and how technology is shaping the future of creativity. And this channel exists for one reason: how AI is changing filmmaking and content creation, and how you will leverage and make money with these skills. Today, a single person can write scripts with AI, they can generate stunning visuals from prompts, and they can convert those images into video sequences. Also, they can edit the video just by giving prompts. This matters because it changes who wins. In the past, the best filmmakers were those who had big budgets, expensive gears, and the right connections. But in the future, the best filmmakers will be with a taste, with a vision, and the ability to tell great stories. AI doesn't replace creativity, it just removes everything around creativity. On this channel, we are going to explore AI-based filmmaking and content creation. The question isn't, is AI going to replace filmmakers? But the real question is, what happens when anyone with a good idea can make a film? And that's what this channel is about.